Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. On today's video I'm going to be showing you how I cleanse my acne and fade out my dark spot. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment and also share. So let's get to it. The first product I'm going to use today is CeraVe SA cleanser. This cleanser contains 2% salicylic acid. It's an exfoliating cleanser. It helps with dry, rough and bumpy skin. So if you have a rough face, this cleanser is going to help you. As you can see, it's a gel-like structure. So rub it on my face. This product is Kojic Acid. So don't mind how hard it is. I usually like dividing the soap because it melts away easily. What you do is you target where you have dark spots on your face. So on around here. So what I do is I target the area where I have dark spots on my face. So after that, I allow it to sit on my face for some minutes before I wash it off. So our next product is tuna, face tuna. So this tuna contains green tea. It has so many ingredients that helps to control the sebum production on your face. I've used this tuna so many times. It works well for me. It helps to control the oil that comes out of my face. What I do is I apply it on my face. Can see. Also use a cotton pad to pour your tuna on your cotton pad to clean your face, or you can do this. My style is all the same. I usually use the cotton pad when I want to double cleanse, but because I've exfoliate and I also use Kojie San so that my face will not be too dry, so I'll just use my hand to dap my face. The next product is Tiam Niacinamide. This product contains 10% niacinamide and 2% alpha arbutin. Helps to brighten up your skin, target your dark spots, and also helps to close the acne marks that acne leaves on your face. This is how I use it. Okay. I like to be generous with this product. This product has actually helped my acne marks to fade. So that's how I do it. So the next product that I use is this product. It contains a spot daily brightening serum. This serum contains all the brightening ingredients, so I like pairing it with Tiam Niacinamide so that it can be more effective. So it contains alpha arbutin, niacinamide, Isntree acid. This product has been quite effective. It's a very lightweight serum, so you can see it's a very lightweight serum. So our next product is Isntree Moisturiser. So it's very lightweight, just like the tuna. They all target the acne on your face. If you don't like heavy moisturizer, you should go for this product because it's very lightweight. So whenever you apply it on your face, it's as if it dries up easily. So as you can see, the texture, it's very lightweight. So our next product is Azelaic Acid. Azelaic Acid tackles the acne on your face and also fade out your dark spots. So what I do is I put a pea-sized amount on the affected area. And you can also apply it on where you have dark spots. It also brightens your dark spots and help with hyperpigmentation. but ensure that you take these steps. If not, this one is 20% azelaic acid, so you have to ensure that you moisturize your face very well so that it won't dry up your face. So these steps that I take so that your face will be very moisturized while you apply it, and you won't feel the dryness. So focus on the area that you have dark spots. Our next is sunscreen. Don't forget your sunscreen. If it's at night that you apply all the steps, I don't think you need to apply your sunscreen, but if it's during the day, you have to ensure to apply your sunscreen, especially when you have 20% azelaic acid on your face or the active ingredients. So your skin is very sensitive to suns. It's good to apply your sunscreen to protect your skin. Be generous, so be generous with your sunscreen. So guys, we have come to the end of this video. Please drop on the comment section the product that you are using that cleared out your acne and fade your dark spots. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. See you on my next video. Bye.